Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add interest on Mico. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Mico application. Make sure you are logged into your Mico account. Now tap on the Me option. Tap on the displayed name. Now tap on the paper and pencil icon. There you can find interest option. Tap on it. Now, click on the interest that you prefer. Once you are done, tap on the tick button at the top right corner of your screen. And this is how you can add interest on Mico. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.